back everyone, this is Rupinder Pal Singh, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download different datasets from government website and how you can use QGIS to represent those data into different visualization. Alright, to start, what you need to do is go to data.vic.gov.au, and in here you can search for type of data that you want. I've already downloaded some data for the example. So in this example I'm gonna show you how you can represent accident data into a heat map. So for this I'm gonna use accidents that have happened in Melbourne, and to represent those data I have downloaded 3 different set of data from our website. So the first one is road network of Melbourne, and when you search road network of Melbourne, it gives you a few different results. So you need to find the one that you need. So let's try road corridor, and in this map preview you can actually see the data that they have provided. So yep, that looks good. So what you need to do is download a shape file for this data. Click on explore, click on go to resources, and the file will start downloading automatically. I've done that already. So the next data that you need is the municipal boundary of Melbourne. So search municipal boundary of Melbourne and you will be provided with this link. Go to the link and download the shape file for this data as well, which will be something like this. And for the accident data, what I did is I searched for Melbourne accident data, and there's like a big crash statics provided by Victoria Road. You can simply click on this link and it will take you back to the Discover.data.vic.gov.au website, but I found it much easier to get this data through a Google search than actually looking through the results here. So yep, so that helped. And for this I've like you are presented with different types of data in CSV form, like what person was involved, accident location, vehicle, and other sort of data. What I did is I downloaded the GEOs and format for this, and this file includes all of this detail as well. So yeah, download by clicking go to resources, which I have already done. Now I'm gonna go back to my QGIS and set up a coordinate system. To do that, right click on anywhere on your workspace, go to copy coordinate, click on set custom CRS, and actually you need to be mindful of this, that if you're working on some other area, the coordinate system can be different, and when you choose different set, it actually get previewed here as well. So I know the right CRS system for the location that I'm working on is yep, this one. I'm just gonna make sure it's the same one. Yep. All right, and now what we need to do is go to the location of the data set that you have downloaded, So yeah, so just click and drag the data on your workspace for this shape file. I'm gonna do few changes for the visualization of these two data. So for roads, I'm gonna choose blue fill, and it can be different for I mean, it can be any other color as well, whatever you think is best suited for the visualization that you want to do. And then for the boundary, just double click on your layer and layer properties will appear. And for the boundaries, I'm gonna remove the fill, so no brush, apply, okay. Yep, that looks good. And now I'm gonna drag and drop my accident data onto my workspace, and yep, the file is quite heavy and it's taking its time to load into the workspace. So I'm gonna pause the video. Oh, all right, yep, I think it's done. Oh no, yep, it's there. All right, now what we need to do is I'm gonna put this layer on this one. Yeah, so as you can see, there's it's a big data set, and I think it's for the whole Victoria, and we don't need that. And we can actually clip out the excessive data from our workspace. To do that, what we need to do is first of all export the file as shapefile. To do that, right click on your layer, go to export, save feature as, then select the format as shapefile, type in the name for your file. I'm gonna type accident and click OK. Yeah, the file is quite heavy, so it's taking a little longer to process this. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the layer, and now I'm gonna clip the accident layer as per the municipal boundary of Melbourne. To do that, what we need to do is go to vector, geoprocessing tool, go to clips, and the input layer should be extent, as I'm gonna process this layer according to the municipal boundary. So select municipal boundaries on the other thing and click run. All right, now you can close this, as now you can see it has created a new layer for your accidents data, and it's been clipped according to the boundary of Melbourne municipality. And so what I'm gonna do is remove this layer as well. So yeah, the file is much lighter now for us. And now as you can see, it's quite good for the visualization of accidents that have happened throughout different years in Melbourne. And these dots are actually not just the data for the location, it actually have more information to that as well. And you can actually look at that by right clicking on the layer, click on open attribute tables, and as you can see, it has all different set of data, what day it was on, what was the condition of the road, was it a collision with a pedestrian or a vehicle or something like that, and what's the severity of the accident, then then the location here, and all different sets of data as well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the representation of accidental data into a heat map. To do that, double click, and in the symbology, click on the drop down menu, select heat map, and in this all I'm gonna do is change this to red and change the opacity to somewhere around 75. Click apply, and you can see our data has been now visualized as a heat map. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give a weightage to every point according to the severity of that accident. So like I've mentioned you before, that all of these dots have other sets of data as well. So in here you can see there's a severity section, and there's like different data entry for different type of severity of the accident. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new layer in which I'm gonna give a weightage to each type of severity. So we have serious injury, other injuries, and fatal accident. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give a fatal accident weightage of 100, then serious accident weightage of 50, and other accidents weightage of 1. And if there's any other, I don't think so. Yep. So these three will be the factors of the weightage that I'm gonna do. So now what I'm gonna do is click on open field calculator, and with the help of this I'm gonna create a new column here. So I'm gonna give the column a new name, which is weight, and now I'm gonna create an expression for the data entry, or maybe the condition for the column. All right, so this is the expression that I've created for giving different values or different weightage to different severities of the accidents. So now after giving this expression, I have to give this an end, otherwise I won't be able to click OK. So click OK, and when you click OK, it will create a new column with the weightage according to the severity of the accident. So now what I'm gonna do is double click on your accident layer and go to weight point by and select your new column, apply, and you can see now the heat map has been changed according to the weightage that I've given, according to the severity of the accident. Alright, so that's about it for this video. Catch you on